here is the Spit 6 that I'm building. Got a 1500 tub. I'm doing some custom body work stuff to it too. Come around here. I'm taking the seams off the back. Now, got rid of the bumpers. Engine, spare engine. Got another engine over there as well too. Let's see. There's tons of rust. I've already replaced the floor pans. Did work on the heel board. Moved the radius arm brackets over to match how the GT6 Mark II is. Outer sills, inner sills, strengthener plate. I've already done all that work, so there's not a whole lot of metal work left to do on this, but we'll have plenty of metal work over here on this. Let's see, what else? Also, I've been teaching myself welding and figuring it out as I go along. So my skills are so-so, they're getting better, but my plan is I'm going to get everything to where I like it. Rust is all taken care of, basic body shape is taken care of, and put the body off in the corner and start working on the chassis. So that's going to be some of the big stuff here. I got a fiberglass bonnet. It's a Lenham style bonnet because I think it looks cool. It's got a nice little smile too. Paint color. I happen to have this blue painter's tape, so I thought I'd experiment. It's plan on doing some white racing stripes, electric blue. So that was kind of like spacing it out, and it gives me something visual to look at. You got to do some of this visual stuff too. Got a transmission down there, totally rebuilt GT6 transmission with J-type overdrive, so that's going to be excellent. The engine, we're going to do lots of fun stuff to that. I've never rebuilt an engine before, but I've always wanted to, so there's going to be that. It's going to be excellent. What else have I got to say about this one? A ton. But when there's a camera in my hand, I forget what I'm talking about. So we'll get to things as we get to things. I got a ton of spare parts back there on the shelves. I know the garage is a mess, but I clean it when I can, and then it just gets messy all over again. Especially dust everywhere from cleaning. Stripping the paint off the GT6. So I think that's kind of the main thing with that. My goal with this car, this is going to be my main car for driving. I know it's going to take a few years to get before it's ready, but it's going to be a blast. So yeah, join me for the ride. We'll have fun, and there it is.